Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity, first of all, congratulations, all of you. Today we'll get our 11.95%. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I can't expect this from Axie Infinity. Today will just and only give me, my friend, 11.95% profit just in only, my friend, in last one day. Oh my goodness, definitely no coin, my friend, can do this. It's priority from all coin, my friend, in this time. Definitely it is massive, my friend. You can see here 62.38 USD dollar. This is the highest price, and this time you can see here the current price is 61.54 USD dollar. So that's mean, my friends, to the price will pump up day by day, hour by hour, and absolutely last 10 days of every month, last 10 days, my friend, every coin will pumps up. So therefore I am 100% sure, my friend, to in those days the price will be increasing. So now, hold on, you will need to do, my friends, this is what I tell you. I hope you will get earn a lot of money, my friend, in Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friend. You can see here 11% profit just in only in last 24 hours. And I hope, my friend, in these 10 days, in upcoming these 10 days, my friend, they will make you a millionaire now. So kindly, holders, please, if you want to get a profit now, do this what I tell you. I will give you guarantee to they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, holder. Kindly, the candle is going to be 100% red now, but definitely, my friend, as you can see here at the last point, if you can see, my friend, the last candle is 100% gone green. So that's mean, my friends, too, the price will starting increasing now. Definitely, my friends, when a coin will starting fails down, so after a fail, every coin will pumps up. So therefore that's true, my friends, to the price will be increasing now. Kindly, holder, if you want to earn money in a crypto now, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.